Mamaw si AJ Edu, solid ang pinakita sa opensa at depensa. Pinapagpag lang ang kanyang bantay sa ilalim. Hindi umuobra ang mga import ng kalaban. Pangalawang tapatan ng kupunan ni AJ Edu na Nagasaki Velka at Livanga Wakaido this weekend, kung saan panalo nga ang Velka sa una nilang laban kahapon. Hindi nga gaanong pumunto sa game na yon sa Edu, kung saan kumuha lamang siya ng 4 points. Kaya tingnan natin this game kung magiging maganda na ba ang ipapakita ni AJ sa opensa.
The flip, Edu. Inside, this is where he does his damage. Flips it through, Shuto will challenge. AJ Edu had a couple of blocks yesterday, comes up with his first bear. Shuto sets up Kreiner. Kreiner inside, gets denied there by AJ Edu. AJ Edu with his second block. Two-man game, Edu inside. Follows it up there. Held out yesterday, so he's got to watch his foul situation. Replay. Matsushita made contact with AJ Edu. You can hear the cowbells. Seconds remaining. AJ taps it to himself and puts it through. Baba left wide open for 3. AJ Edu. Baba who's going around here. Edu to the wing. Baba for 3. Yes! After a tremendous first period. Nice find. Welsh inside. Great steal there. Sniping. Great steal there. Ooh, age 25. Yarazono with a jumper. No. That's a good box. Quick swing. AJ Edu from 3. Yes! Edu's all over him. Kikuchi short. Kreiner. Sets by AJ Edu for a few. Shimatani a little bit too strong off the glass. No need to rush things. Edu for 3. Short. Oh, it's gonna drop. Season Shimatani, but they find AJ Edu. Edu inside.
Panalo nga sa game na ito ang Nagasaki Velka sa final score na 79-70, kung saan kumuha si AJ Edu ng 18 points at 9 rebounds.